Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do class 10, 11th chapter, areas related to circle, exercise 11.1, 7th question. First of all, this is very important question. Carefully listen. A chord of a circle radius is 12 centimeter. This circle radius is 12 centimeter, subtended an angle 120 degree at the center. This center angle is 120 degree. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. Okay, here we will find the segment. Segment means what? Chord, arc, this middle region is a segment. This area we will find, the segment area we will find. Okay, segment area finding. Here radius given 12 centimeter and center angle given 120 degree. Okay, pi value we will use 3.14, root 3 value 1.73 is given. Okay, now see here, area of segment. Segment, how you will find this full sector to this triangle minus means you will get the segment. Okay, sector to triangle minus, you will get the segment. So first point you write area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, area of the sector formula already you know. Area of the sector formula what? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus civita. Area of triangle. This is which type of triangle? Here center angle is 120 degrees there. Here you have to keep in your mind. See here center angle 60 degrees there means it is a, see here 2 radius equal. So you will get here also 60 degree, here also 60 degree. I means 2 radius equal means their opposite angles also equal. So triangle center angle 60 degrees there means you will get equilateral triangle. Try to understand. See here triangle is there. Triangle center angle 60 degree means this is also 60, this is also 60. So you will get the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means which formula you will use? Root 3 by 4 a square. Already back videos so we did the remaining sums. You got a 60 degree center angle 60 degrees there means you will get this triangle is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is there means which formula we will use? Root 3 by 4 a square. Next one more here center angle 90 degrees there means which formula you will use? Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, but here center angle 120 degrees there. Okay, 120 degrees there means which formula we will use? R square into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This formula we will use. 60 degrees there means this formula. Root 3 by 4 a square. 90 degrees there means which formula? This formula. 90 degrees, center angle 90 degrees there means half into base into height. Leaving this two, here center angle any degree is there also, we will use this formula. What is the formula? R square into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. In trigonometry, you learned this sin, cos, this all. So here 60, 90 leaving. Any degree also we will use this formula. Okay, r square into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, now we will apply the values. Carefully listen. Theta means how much degree? 120 degree. 120 by 360 into pi value how much given? 3.14 into radius how much is there? 12. So 12 into 12. Okay, minus r means how much is there? 12. R square. R square means 12 into 12. Into sin theta. Theta means this is 120. So sin 120 degree by 2. Okay. Next cos theta. Cos theta means cos 120 degree by 2. Okay. Now see here any cancel chances is there? 0, 0 cancel. 12 1s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Next 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So here what is remaining? 3.14, here 4 remain into 12 remain. Next here you see 12 into 12. Okay, here any cancel chances there? See 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 60 degree. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 60 degree. 12 into 12, here what is remain? Sin 60 remain. Okay, into here what is remain? Cos 60 degree remain. Okay, carefully you do it. Okay, now see here 3.14 into 4 into 12 minus 12 into 12. Carefully listen. Sin 60. Sin 60 value how much is there? Into root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value is the root 3 by 2. Cos 60, it is a 1 by 2. Okay, now any cancel chances there? See here 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 3 is 6. Okay, what is remainder? See here, 3.14 into 4 into 12. What you will get? 150.42. Here you will get 150.42. Minus, here what is remainder? 3 4 is 12. 12 into root 3 value given. What is the root 3 value? 1.73 is equal to 150.42 minus 12 into 1.73. 12 no, here 12 3 is a 36. 12 3 is a 36 is there. Okay, see here 3 into 12. 12 3 is a 36. 36 into 1.73 means you will get 62.28. Here you will get 62.28. So this 2 minus means we will get 88.44 centimeter square. Okay, here what is the main concept is there? Here center angle 120 degrees there. You keep in mind. 60 is there means we will use this formula. Okay, next 90 degrees there means 60 degrees there means center angle 60 is there means root 3 by 4 a square. Center angle 90 degrees there means 1 by 2 b into h. But leaving this to any degree also. Okay, any degree. Here 120 degrees there. Leaving this to any degree also we will use this formula. This formula you keep in your mind. R square into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This formula you apply means you will get the answer. Okay, again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.